go down there. And we're gonna start removing all those nails all over in this gigantic box here. To start doing the cistern where the water goes. Ah, guys, look at that view. But I must confess I'm tired. Let's go down. Let's go down to business. So, we're in the depths. Insane, man. Can you see that? We're gonna start cleaning the whole thing. It's a lot of work. We need to work with our hands this. Let's do it. Look at the professional working. The guy's a genius. It's my turn. Done. Teamwork. So that's the deal. We split half and half. Now I need to come, break. And now we're gonna clean this whole shit. Just a bucket of it. It's all closed, it's hot as hell, man. Ooh. So that's it. First round done. Look how much. So do you remember how it was? All the nails and the dirt on the floor? So first, can you see my hair all burned up because of the concrete? It's burned up because of concrete. Look at that. Perfect. Take a look. Let me show you. So the leftover is just that, but all that debris is gone. Clean. Trust me. Success. But I did it. This I did alone. And I'm gonna come outside. All for that view. Tired. I did it all alone. I broke that damn kind of gigantic nail. Then I clean everything, it's done. Septic ready. Tomorrow we paint. And we have electric pole. Now I'm gonna wash in that beautiful sea. Let me show you something. That's the view of victory. Right here, top of the container. Just realized that I need to reinforce against rust this part. The white product is not working perfectly. Take a look. Let me give you a view here, just a sec. Yeah man. Ah, it's peeling off, that's why. That's the view of victory, guys. Panoramic. That's the balcony down there. That's the ocean. And that's me. This is sport.